Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to turn off professional mode on Facebook. Right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first off, go ahead and open up the Facebook app. Tap on it, and then once done, just go ahead over to your profile by just tapping on your profile picture right here, or by tapping on 3 horizontal lines, tapping on your profile, and you'll be landed to the same exact page. Now, what you'll do in here is go to the top right. You'll be able to see a 3 dots with a circle, all right, under or besides your cover image. So just tap on the 3 dots, and then once that's done, scroll down a bit, and you'll find Turn Off Pro Mode. Now, if it says Turn On right here, well, you don't have to do anything as it's already turned off. If it says Turn Off Pro Mode or Professional Mode, well, you'll have to tap on it to turn it off. Tap on it, and then just tap on Continue. Wait for it, and tap on Turn Off. And by the way, read through this, okay? And then once that's done, just tap on Close. Go back to your profile, swipe down, and your account is now a personal account. And that's how easy it is to turn off professional mode on Facebook. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.